So, today I'm going to tell you how to make a fish out of magnet balls and magnet sticks. So, first, look at this and put it like this and connect them like this, and you made this. So, and then you put this like this and you make another stick with the ball which looks like a lollipop, and put this with this and make a triangle. So then you put it like this, and you put it like this, and put it like this, and even like put it like this, and then put it like this, and you put it something like this, and you let one more ball come. You put this in. And then you put AI with the ball here, and then you just take that out because it doesn't have an eye or face. So this is, so you could put the eye because we're not making a 3D one. So this is how you make a flat fish out of magnet balls and magnet sticks. If you want, you could look at the fish. See, it looks like this. And if you like my video, you could press the like button below. If you want to subscribe, you could press the subscribe button below. If you want to watch more, you could press the subscribe button on my channel below.